We all know stress hits us in unexpected waves. But did you know you can find relief just by mastering the art of breathing? Breathing isn't just an automatic function. It's a powerful tool you can use for instant calm. When done mindfully, breathing can be an anchor helping you find peace in moments of chaos. But what's the science behind it? Welcome to the Vitality List. When you breathe deeply, oxygen floods your bloodstream, which helps your body relax and regulates that all-important oxygen-carbon dioxide balance. Now here's the question. Are you really breathing in a way that fuels peace and calm? Improper breathing can contribute to anxiety, fatigue, and even panic attacks. We want to focus on the positive aspects of breathing and discover simple yet transformative techniques to bring calm when you need it most. Here are the top 5 breathing techniques that can make a real difference in anyone's life. Get yourself ready to experience a whole new level of calm. 1. Pursed lip breathing. Have you ever noticed how taking slow, deliberate breaths can instantly help you feel calmer? Pursed lip breathing is designed to slow down your breath and help you release tension. It's particularly helpful for people with lung conditions like COPD, which is a common lung disease, but anyone can benefit from it. Try it. Sit comfortably and relax your neck and shoulders. Inhale through your nose for 2 seconds, keeping your mouth closed. Exhale slowly through pursed lips as if you were blowing a kiss for 4 seconds. You can practice this technique 4 or 5 times a day to ease your anxiety and help your breathing feel more controlled and intentional. 2. Alternate nostril breathing. Feeling out of sync? The alternate nostril breathing technique helps balance the left and right sides of your brain, promoting clarity and focus. It's like resetting your internal wiring for calm and balance. Known as Nadi Shodhana in yoga, this breathing style will balance your mind by balancing your breath. It's a calming, structured method that helps reduce anxiety by balancing your mind and body. You can try it following these steps. Sit with your spine straight. Bend your pointer and middle fingers of your right hand. Then close your right nostril with your thumb. Inhale through the left nostril. After that, switch. Close the left nostril and exhale through the right one. Now inhale through the right, switch, and exhale through the left. Keep this pattern going for 10 rounds. You'll notice how this technique brings you into harmony. If you feel lightheaded, take breaks. But use this technique to ground yourself and bring a focused calmness to your day. 3. Box breathing. Do you find counting to be soothing? That's what box breathing does. It helps you stay balanced in the moment with a calming square. This technique is also known as 4-square breathing because it adds a rhythmic quality to each breath. Popular with everyone from athletes to Navy SEALs, box breathing helps you stay calm under pressure as a structured way to slow your mind and body. Give it a try by following these steps. Exhale to a count of 4. Hold your breath out for 4 counts. Inhale as you count to 4 again. Then hold your breath one more time, counting until 4. Repeat this cycle for a few minutes to bring a sense of stability and peace to yourself. Why not make it a habit and see how it transforms your response to stress? 4. Belly breathing. Belly breathing, also called diaphragmatic breathing, involves using your belly rather than your chest to breathe, which has been shown to ease anxiety and promote better sleep. When anxiety peaks, our breath becomes shallow, staying high in the chest. Belly breathing changes that and activates relaxation from your core. Imagine filling your belly with each breath, like you're inflating a balloon. This shifts your breathing pattern instantly, relaxing your nervous system and calming both your body and mind. It feels like pressing pause on stress. Here's how to do it. Sit or lie down, placing one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, letting your belly rise with the breath. Exhale slowly through your mouth and feel your belly fall. Try to spend 20 or 30 minutes a day doing this, and you'll notice a profound difference in your stress levels. Consequently, using this technique can be especially important during stressful times when shallow breathing is more likely. Just a few rounds of belly breathing can make you feel grounded and centered. And it's amazing how this small shift can lead to big changes. 5. Numbered techniques. Why not try a breathing method that incorporates counting to ground you in the present? There are many numbered techniques that have proven to be quite effective. But let's try this one. 4-7-8 breathing. The 4-7-8 method is easy and efficient, as it helps calm your nervous system, and especially useful before bedtime. Next time you feel anxious, try this. Inhale quietly through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for 7. Then exhale slowly through your mouth for 8. It's not just breathing, it's creating space in your mind for peace. This rhythm will naturally slow your heart rate and bring your focus inward. Think of it as a mini meditation that is simple yet deeply powerful. When things become challenging, you must give yourself time and take a moment to check in with yourself. Are you using your breathing to support your mental health? Are you ready to try these techniques and feel the peace and calm they bring? Always remember that different techniques suit different needs, so experiment with each of them to find what works best for you. And if your anxiety persists, make sure to reach out to a mental health professional. Sometimes pairing breathing techniques with other forms of therapy can make all the difference in feeling better. Ready to make breathing techniques a daily habit? Then take some time for yourself. Give these techniques a shot, and watch your anxiety melt away, one breath at a time. If you enjoyed these techniques, hit the like button. Also subscribe to the Vitality List for more wellness tips.